All right. If I wanted to uh, solve, I have this wave, and I wanted to solve for certain things about it. And I wanted, for example, like maybe I wanted to know its wavelength and its frequency, all right, based upon the information given. And I'll put myself there so I'm not blocking anything. Uh, First off, let's figure out how many waves we've got here. And the wave could be moving either direction. It doesn't really matter. And you got to keep, this is like what it's showing you over like the wave starts here, and then after 10 seconds, this part of the wave is actually there. What's going on? It's just showing you like the result of the motion after 10 seconds. But what it means is like at time 0, it starts here and then ends there. All right. Now, the first thing is the wavelength. And the wavelength is crest to crest, trough to trough, middle to middle. You could really measure it anywhere. It's a two identical points on adjacent waves, and that's next to each other. So that's here to here. You can see the wavelength is fairly consistently 0.75 meters. All right. It's not here to here. It's not the total length. It's uh, one wave to the next wave, identical points. All right. Now, frequency is the next thing. Frequency is number of waves per time. All right. Now, if you look, you could do many different ways to solve this problem. If you look at the wave, you're going to see I've got many different increments of time. I could break this up into different increments, or I could go with the increments provided. The whole thing took 10 seconds, and there were 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 5 gives me 2, or I could simply break the time up into 5 chunks and say 2 seconds, 2, and each wave is 2 seconds. So the frequency is going to be 2 hertz. All right. Now, speed. Speed of a wave. Speed is distance divided by time. And in this case, how far did it go and how long did it take to get there? Once again, there's many ways that you could divide this up. You could divide 0.75 meters by 2 seconds, and you would get 0.375, I'm running out of real estate, meters per second, all right? Or you could divide the total, this divided by 10 seconds. That's going to give you the same answer, 0.375. So it's the distance the wave traveled divided by the time, all right? You got this.